Student, see question. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of form 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. q कोई integer है, तो हमें शो करके दिखाना है स्टूडेंट कि इवन नंबर किस फॉर्म का होता है 2q का एंड ऑड नंबर ऑड पॉजिटिव नंबर 2q plus 1 की फॉर्म का. So for this question, let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 2. By Euclid's algorithm, we can have a is equal to 2q plus r, where q is the quotient and r is the remainder. For some integer, q is greater than equal to 0. Now, r is equal to 0, 1. यहाँ पर r क्या तो 0 होगा या 1 होगा, that is r is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2. So, a is equal to 2q when r is equal to 0 or a is equal to 2q plus 1 when r is equal to 1. If a is the form of 2q, then a is an even integer, and if a is the form of 2q plus 1, then a is the odd integer. So we have shown the question is completed.